Edeo, educational video, the course features. The course features are introduced to you by platform or by the content design. By platform. The best IT makes your life easier. We like using IT to improve your learning process. So you can access your course from several different devices and platforms, including desktop, laptop, app, and Apple TV applications. The features by platform. It is video lectures. Also the supplementary results like the PDF. We also give some quiz to test your progress and make you to assess yourself. You can download the PDF, and after finish each course, you can download the certificate of the completion. Course features by platform. You can bookmark very amazingly. You can bookmark on video. You can control the speed. You can speed up at 2x or slow down at 0.7x, which is the best speed I recommend you. You will not waste your time or miss something. Post review. You can post the review. Let me know so we can improve the design in the future. Or you can send direct message to the instructors. Course feature by content design. Systematic way of teaching. Structured knowledge. Topic oriented. We classify the knowledge by different topic. Best teachers know-how explanations. And instant access and update, because this one supported by the cloud. So any errors will keep updating and you can instantly access to it. Ongoing trainings and support for students and for teacher. The topic covered. More courses are coming. Initially we are doing the Lego Mandarin, and more language courses are coming. We know the best and the best we know. Chinese as a first language. Bahasa Malaysia. English as second language. And more courses are coming. Tai Chi, fitness, and Qigong, which is my another favorite. Remember, it's more than just a course. A book, it is a system. See you in my course. You can access my course by different platform. And you can scan the QR code to access to it. See you there. 再见。